just quickly, I'm making a little mop or basting butter, and it's got a cube of butter, it's got some honey, it's got some lemon and lime juice, and then let's put a little bit more of this Momofuku David Chang soy sauce. So we're gonna melt this, and we're gonna have our coals on the Weber red hot. We're gonna hit the shrimp as hard as we can, as quick as we can, basting it constantly with the butter. Gosh, this is almost too healthy for me. Let's start by putting a spoon of the salsa in the center of each leaf. Let's put some shrimp in there.